Nasekera. So, I have made a video on work in Canada. I'll put it here at the end of this, towards the end of this video. Please, if you are really, really interested, you need to watch this video as well, because this video that I'll put here will tell you even about visas and everything else and all of that. So it's quite detailed. I put in so much time into research to put the video up. But for this one, it's a series to break down things because people keep asking, oh, where can I start from? How can I do it? And all sorts of questions. So I'm breaking it down into several videos. So if you watch this, there'll be another. There's a whole range of playlist that you need to watch if you're still interested and if you're still not getting what you need to get. So in this video, let's get into it. Let me show you one trick, how you can get to Canada. Because this website will not appear anywhere else, you need to take note of it. https://www.jobbank.gc.ca. Okay, so this is the page that I want you to explore. So it says it's Job Bank. It's what the government of Canada, you can see here, uses for jobs and all of that. So this website has all the jobs that they are advertising. But for you who is outside of Canada, here is the section. You see there's several sections targeting different people, but foreign candidates from outside Canada. Click on this one so that everything that you are searching, it is something, you see, search jobs from employers who are recruiting foreign candidates from outside Canada. So for example, you are care worker, care assistant job. You want anywhere. But in another video, I'll be talking about locations. So which locations can you be targeting? But in this one, we're just looking at the bottom line, how you can start searching for these opportunities and get applying. But then there are some provinces, they call them provinces, that are actively looking for people. So and they have specific programs that they are they've put in place for migrants. So we'll be looking into that as well. But this video, we're just looking at where you can start from. Okay, and as I've said, towards the end of this video, you'll see a video popping up about Canada 2025. That's the video that you also need to look at if you want all the details about going or about visas and all stuff and the provinces, but I'll also break down in terms of provinces. So we've put here, care assistant, for example, search. It's giving us 26 results. Okay. There's also a note here. It looks like you're currently located outside of Canada. Click here to only see jobs that are open to international candidates. Okay, so here there's a lot that has come up already. We'll check this one as well, but these are current jobs advertised 5 January, 5 March, 20 March, healthcare assistant with this company, Alien Healthcare Corporation. Hourly rate is 25 Canadian dollar. If you're a child care worker assistant, yada, 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 all of that, okay? So for purposes of demonstration, let's pick one. Let's try healthcare assistant. What does it say? Okay. Yeah, Allian Home Care Corporation, that's the organization name. It's in North Vancouver. There's the rate. You have 35 hours per week. Start as soon as possible. They have 5 vacancies, and the job has been verified. It's only Job Bank, which is the government of Canada website. You need to have 2 years experience, responsibilities. They've talked about it there. Why we are looking at this? Because I've seen a lot where people just post one job at a time. But I would take a step back, a step further, where you can be actively looking for those jobs yourself. Instead of me posting one job, say, here's an opening in Canada, apply for this job, apply for this one at a time. It can be time wasting, as well as if healthcare assistant is not what you're looking for, you keep watching and watching and watching videos. But if we take a step back where you have the control of finding the job that you want, then the process becomes easier and simpler and shorter. Not that it's a short process, but at least you cut out those waiting from other people giving you one job at a time. So there's this now, where we know that where they are advertised, there's loads, hundreds sometimes. So show how to apply. It says here, who can apply for this job? The employer accepts applications from Canadian citizens and permanent or temporary residents of Canada, other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit, okay? With or without a valid Canadian work permit. So meaning they can employ people that do not have the Canadian thing, and you apply via email, advertise until 19th April 2024. So this was just for demonstration purpose, but let's go back to what it said here. Only see jobs that are open to international. So it's giving us the same result, 26, because we already put in Canadians and international candidates, care assistant jobs. So these are, but let's check something else. Carpenters. Okay. So this is recent one with Maple Contractors in North York, £21.99. Another carpenter with this company, carpenter foreman / woman. In Victoria, is it? Yeah, Victoria. And the rate is between 35 to 50 per hour. The rates are quite high. Some are low, 23. So let's just get one and see. So direct apply, green job, direct apply. Let's try this one. What does it say? You get this number of hours for 45 hours. Languages English. You work in construction site. Who can apply? Other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit. So show how to apply. It says you can apply by email or by Job Bank. So it's up to you. Okay. There you go. So this, guys, is gold. All you just need to do is check it as often as you can, depending on your profession. So public health, for example, if I wanted to go to Canada, why is it adding and environmental health? Let's take this one out. It says saved data. Maybe I've saved that at some point. Let's try public health and see what comes up. Okay. Did you mean public health? Of course I wrote public health. We looked for jobs near Health Bay. Why has Health Bay come in? Remove Health Bay. We just want any part of Canada. So, oh, it's giving us something else. Public relations, public that. Okay, it has changed it to public. No, we said public health. Let's get this. Let's try the public health, and the other jobs are coming up, but I just want to explore public health. It said, and environmental health. I don't want this. Healthy Bay, yes. Okay, here we go now. What I want is jobs that are available to international. Yeah, so all this healthy standards inspector, food inspector. If you, yeah, it says 5 jobs. The healthy standards inspector. Let's check that. By this Angels Home and Community Care. This is part of your job. It's the same. Other candidates with or without a valid Canadian pay. So show how to apply by email. There you go. Let's look at plumbers. $79 plumbers. Let's check just the first one in this case. You will work with Capital Sewer Services. 33 US dollars, 32 hours a week. You can apply. Other candidates without work, with or without work permit. So like I'm saying, let me stop sharing this. But when you're applying for jobs in Canada, this is why we will still explore other things. You will need to take note of this NOC. It's so important. Every profession has NOC number. So like I said, so for plumber, this is the NOC. When you are applying, this will be needed. And yeah, so you need every job, you need to take note of NOC. That's the category that the government gives to different professions, and it tracks professions that are open for foreigners and not open for foreigners and things like that. But there was something I wanted to look at where we started from. Excuse me. There was word ELMIC that was mentioned. Anyway, let me stop share because we will have another video that explains a lot about other things. Yeah, so please This is the video I mentioned about. Please watch this. It has all the details. Otherwise, good luck with applying. Bye.